Hi, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining me from Traffic Technologies is Managing Director Con Liosatos. Welcome.
Thank you.
First up, for investors new to the company, could you give us a quick introduction?
Traffic Technologies has been around for some 12 odd years, specialising in traffic systems for governments, councils and infrastructure projects here and of course in New Zealand and offshore.
Now to your first half 2018 results. Con, what were the highlights?
Yes, we've had a strong result both financially and operationally, with revenues up, profits up and cash flows up as well. Operationally, we had efficiencies through the factories, which has given us these results. And
Con, you're in the midst of a capital raise via a rights issue. How much are you looking to raise and what's the position post-raise?
The rights issue will be 6.3 million. Post-raise, we will have approximately debt levels of 12.5, a market cap of 14 million and an enterprise value of 25.
Now to your products in a little more detail. Just tell us about the lighting systems.
Okay, our lighting system was developed some 3 years ago. It came off the back of government's need, being road authorities and or councils, to reduce power and maintenance. So our product now currently being deployed across the East Coast, including South Australia, saves 60% in power and 80% in maintenance.
And your signal controllers?
Our signal controller has been a great success to the company in exporting. Pretty much 80% of its revenue now comes from offshore, across the Middle East, Asia and the Americas.
And tell us about your software solutions.
That's the newest in development. It's been 12 months in the making. We've deployed it now across Victoria for the road authorities. It's predominantly around a smart city concept, where we take assets from councils and road authorities, where they'll be able to monitor it for long term.
And Con, now to the advances in traffic technology. Just tell us what's happening around the globe and how does that impact the firm?
Autonomous vehicles, of course, is the future of motor vehicles around the world. Where it's actually coming into age now is where all the assets, government assets and software platforms like our smart city platform, is to be able to communicate what we call V2X. Vehicle to infrastructure being the motor vehicle.
And lastly, Con, what's the focus for the next 6 months and longer term?
The focus will be to increase our rollout of our smart city platforms, increase on production and operation efficiencies, and increase on export initiatives offshore on a market that we've built to date.
Con Liosatos, thank you so much for the update.
No, thank you for having me.